Undermount Farmhouse Apron Front Single Bowl Kitchen Sink by Vigo. This sink has a reversible apron front design. Depending on what makes you happy, you can have it installed with the distinctive slotted front on display or smooth flat apron front display. The sink is made from matte finish. This material can be an alternative if you don't want a sink made of fireclay or cast iron. Matte is durable and it will not chip or crack. Undermount Farmhouse Apron Front Single Bowl Kitchen Sink by Vigo is also stain, fire, and chemical resistant. Should you buy this sink, it will come with some free accessories. This includes an embossed Vigo cutting board and a stainless steel farmhouse sink drain strainer with a removable basket. It gives your kitchen that perfect look that you can pair this sink with a Vigo faucet, grid, soap dispenser, and colander. The sink, which is in a white color, is easy to install and comes with all the mounting hardware necessary to do this. If you want the best farmhouse undermount kitchen sink, this should be what you're looking for.